In the slideshow editor activity, there are two other activities that we will launch from which we expect to get results. And in particular, those two activities will allow the user to select a picture from the device's gallery or to select a music track from the device's set of media. So we've defined in lines 61 through 85 a couple of constants and an overridden onActivityResult method that will be called automatically when those other activities return data to us. So you can see here that we have two private final static integers, picture ID and music ID. We use these to distinguish between the two activities that could be returning to us, and you'll see when we launch those activities we use these request IDs, and those codes get passed back in as the first parameter to onActivityResult. And you can see here that we have a little if statement that checks to see if the result code is result OK, which simply means that the activities that we launched responded and were able to do the task that we requested. And then if that is the case, we get the data from the result, and it's returned to us as a URI, which points to the image or the music that the user selected. At line 74 through 81, we have the check for the request code picture ID. If it was a picture that was selected, we're going to add that image to the slideshow using the string representation of the URI. And at line 80, we are then going to tell the slideshow editor adapter notify dataset changed, which will update the list view with the new image that was just added to the slideshow. If, on the other hand, the request code was music ID, then the user chose music, and that's the activity that was returning to us, in which case we will set the slideshow's music path to the string representation of the selected URI.